Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to make Shopify store look professional. So let's get started. First of all, you have to choose an appropriate theme. Uh, s- I'm going to tell you a few steps to make your Shopify store look more professional and attractive. First of all, choose an appropriate theme. Select a professional theme from the Shopify theme store that aligns with your brand and provides a clean and modern design. Make sure it is responsible and optimized for mobile devices. Second step is to use quality and relevant ages, images. Images can make your Shopify store look professional. Be mindful of what you are using. Only use quality and relevant images. This helps customers better understand your products or services and creates a more professional image for your store. Using images related to the products or services you offer will help customers understand them better. Now, third step is to optimize navigation. Effective navigation is essential to ensure customers can easily find the right products and pages on your Shopify store. It can make or break your store. So, to optimize navigation, first prioritize the most important pages such as Home, About Us, Contact Us, and Shop. Make sure these are easy to locate in menus so customers know where to look for them. Ensure your menus are easy to navigate by adding more categories or subcategories if needed. Fourth step is to display product effectively. Product display is one of the most important elements of a professional looking Shopify store. An attractive product page can help customers quickly find what they are looking for and make them more likely to purchase it. The fifth step is to offer secure payment options. Providing secure payment options should be a major priority when setting up a professional Shopify store. Customers want to know their information is safe and secure when making an online purchase. You can choose payment methods that customers prefer, such as credit cards, PayPal, Apple Pay, or cryptocurrency. More importantly, use a secure payment gateway to protect customer data from fraud or hacking attempts. This will help build customer trust and ensure they feel comfortable purchasing from the store. The sixth, the sixth step is to include product description. 87% of consumers rate product content as extremely or very important when deciding to buy, and that's why product description is an essential part of any online store. Luckily, Shopify makes it easy to create professional looking product pages. The seventh step is to add customer reviews. Customer reviews are an effective way to build trust and encourage further customer purchases. If you want your Shopify store to look professional, allow customers to leave reviews. Reviews give potential shoppers an insight into the quality of products or services they can expect from your store, and you can take this one step further by replying. Responding to customer feedback promptly show potential customers that you value their opinion and prioritize their satisfaction. The eighth and the last step is to optimize store for mobile devices. Mobile devices are becoming increasingly popular for shopping online. In fact, 79% of Shopify traffic comes from mobile devices. Optimizing your store for mobile is essential to ensure the best user experience. Stores that work on all devices look professional. This means that your website will automatically adjust to fit different screen sizes so customers can easily find what they're looking for without having to zoom in or scroll across the page. So that's how you can make your Shopify store look professional. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.